Hi, it's Gedalia with Closer to the Soul. I just wanted to speak a little bit about the current events with the war in Ukraine. And I saw a very interesting thing from Rabbi Dessler. We say every day in the morning prayers that Hashem is the master of wars. What does that mean, Hashem is the master of wars? The way he explains it is as follows. Any fight or dispute that occurs between nations only comes about because Hashem wants it to occur. And it says this also in the Gemara and Avodah Zarah in the Talmud. I make wars, says Hashem. We're going to go into that a little bit later also, this Gemara. This means that individuals do not have the power to start a war. Individuals only have the free will to choose whether they personally are interested in war, and then Hashem will use them to carry out His plan. It's similar to the Jewish people when they went to Egypt. It was decreed by Hashem that the Jewish people would be strangers in a strange land, but didn't say where it would be. But it was the Egyptians who were interested in enslaving the Jewish people. That's why Hashem sent them there. And when they were punished, it was also because of their own evil nature that rose to the point of wanting to be the type of nation that's going to enslave another and cause them pain. The same thing we have now. The war that's going on, Hashem has the one that started this war, and the only reason why it happens to be Russia and Ukraine, or Russia is really the one that wanted it, is because the nation itself and their leader, who's just a puppet in the hands of Hashem, wanted to have a war, so it came about through them. Every year before Purim we have something happens, whether it's a war, a corona, or a hurricane. There's always something that happens, and it's always for the same reason. Purim was a long time ago. It's very hard to remember what it was like to be saved by Hashem, to recognize that Hashem is really the one that causes everything to happen. Just like in the times of Purim, Hashem caused the war, and Haman was just a puppet, like Putin is a puppet. And when Hashem won the war for us, we recognize clearly that it was all from Hashem, and only to bring us to the recognition that He's with us, and that we should only look to Him for everything. It's the same thing now, and it's before Purim, and my own personal prediction is that Ukraine, being the underdog, will win, because Hashem always helps the underdog, and things will be over quickly. And I hope that we just take this lesson, that we'll be able to go into the holiday of Purim with a newfound appreciation of how much Hashem really looks out for us. I just want to end, I mentioned the Gemara and Avodah Zarah before, and I saw something by Rabbi Moshe Feinstein Zatzal, that he also adds on to this and says that when it comes to superior armies and weaponry, these don't count for anything when it comes to war. Even the mightiest army is only going to win if Hashem wants it to win. There's no natural order when it comes to war. It's just as much of a miracle when a great army wins than when a small army wins. Fortunes of war are dependent only on God's will. Period. This is Gedalia with Closer to the Soul, and I hope that I gave you some inspiration and something to think about. Look forward to the next time we talk. Only good things.